Okay, next class video. We'll go up to courses and let's go to next one down the list, probability and statistics. This is an original credit class. So he did fail quarter two in this class, but this is where he's working on quarter three. So just kind of, this is just working on quarter three for this one. So probability and statistics. Okay. So we're on the landing page. This one, I believe he hasn't done anything in this class. And this is the one where he says, that the teacher hasn't been, the assignments haven't been great, but Jake could look up the assignments and I'm going to show you like what he could do. And he says that he can't do it because of, the teacher, but he could look up the answers and do this. So let's look at, first of all, grades of where he's at. And you can see that he hasn't done anything. So we're in quarter three and it says he has a 0% because he hasn't done anything. So quarter three, he has missing on all these quarter three assignments. So this is all from week one. This is week two. There's a lot of stuff due in week one, so that's not usual. They have to be quick assignments. Week two, he hasn't done anything, but she's only counting one assignment in week two. Week three, she hasn't put anything missing. Week four, week five, week six. These are all missing. She hasn't put the missing assignments. She hasn't put the missing in yet. She should, but yeah, these are all missing. And then we're currently on week seven right now. This is the one. This is the week that I started designing for her to help her out. So there's going to be more assignments in this week. 3, 4, 5. But they're quick assignments. They're not that long of assignments. Okay, so let's look at week one and like a typical like assignment where Jake says, he's having trouble doing it and see how he can work around it. So it's called sampling distributions. That's the concept that she's going to be working on. Most of her assignments, they'll say, after watching the videos from the week, what did you learn? What questions do you still have? Okay, this is an easy assignment. Like Jake, all this is asking is to answer this question. After watching the videos from the week, what did you learn and what question? After watching, he's going to answer this after he watches all the videos for the week. That's all she's asking. It's his opinion on what he saw in the videos. It's easy. Okay, let's go to the next assignment. Sampling distribution homework. I need to see. Let's look at this in order. So let's look at, these are all out of order. So let's look at quarter three, week one. So go to materials, quarter three. And week one is right there. Sampling distributions. So this is the first. So these are not all assignments. These are all pages. This icon here means it's a page where he's just reading right there. This is reading and then taking a quiz. Reading, taking a quiz, or it's like reading or watching a video, taking a quiz. Reading or watching a video and answering a discussion board question. Reading and then taking on the next page, taking a quiz and then another quiz. The key thing is here is the concept of sampling distributions. Okay, so and I'm just giving you like how to look up these assignments and help him out on these assignments. He hasn't done any assignments in this class. So we're just start from week one and just start having him do all these assignments. Okay, go page to page and he just needs to do them. So we can start on this page. This page tells what the objectives are for this week. Okay, the student will generate, understand, and use sampling distributions for common summary statistics. Go to the next page. You're going to watch a video. It says what to watch as you watch. Be sure to take notes and write any questions down that you have. You will earn credit for watching the video by submitting as number one on your practice a few sentences about what you learned or the questions you have watching the video. All he's doing is answering like what he learned and from watching the video and what like questions he has. That's it. Okay, then you watch all these videos, and this is bad design, but we just have to get through this. Okay, so watch all the videos, take notes, go to the next page, and all he's going to do is answer those questions. He has a different view. The test quiz looks like this. start new attempt. So either resume or start new attempt. Looks like he started it and never finished it. So start new attempt. And then, I mean, he's going to answer that. Okay, then he goes to the next page after he hits submit for that. As you watch the video, be sure to take notes, write any questions down that you have. You will earn credit for watching the video by submitting as number one in your practice a few sentences about what you learned. That's all he's doing in the quiz is answering what he learned. This is really easy assignments. He could do this. Okay. The problem is it might not be teaching him how to do it at the end if there's a quiz, but we can look up sampling distribution in Google. Start new attempt. He just has to take a quiz. Okay. And then he watches the video and goes to the next page. And in this one, he just writes, he just does a discussion board. How does the shape of sampling distribution compare and contrast distribution of its population? What impacts the shape of sampling distribution? If he doesn't understand that from the videos that he just watched, just go into Google and type in sampling and distribution. Okay, and tell them to go watch and read up about sampling distribution from other people. There's one in Khan Academy that will probably give a whole it will give a whole lesson on it in Khan Academy. Khan Academy is awesome. It's basically a tutorial thing online. It will give these videos, tutorials on it. It will teach about sampling distribution. Okay, that's all he needs to do. All right, and then once he just goes assignment, just start busting out assignments. Okay. All right, so that, he hasn't done anything on a class assignment, so he needs to start from week 1 and just start getting those assignments done. That's where he started getting stuck last time. He said the teacher wasn't teaching him anything. He needs to go teach himself. There's plenty of things in Khan Academy and online that could teach him about the different concepts. All right, that's it for that class.